The 2025 Audi R8 is nothing short of a masterpiece, an iconic supercar that manages to blend raw power with sophisticated design and everyday usability. Starting with the exterior, Audi keeps its aggressive yet elegant design language intact. The sharp LED headlights, massive honeycomb grille, and sculpted air intakes give the R8 a menacing presence. Sleek lines run across the low-slung body, emphasizing aerodynamics and speed. The rear is just as dramatic, with redesigned taillights, a prominent rear diffuser, and large dual exhaust tips. Optional carbon fiber elements, such as mirror housings and side blades, enhance both aesthetics and performance. Now, moving on to performance, this is where the R8 truly earns its stripes. Under the hood sits a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine that screams performance. In the Performance Quattro variant, it delivers an exhilarating 620 horsepower, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds. The sound of the V10 is absolutely intoxicating, with a deep roar that grows into a high-pitched wail as you climb the rev range. Power delivery is immediate, and thanks to the Quattro all-wheel drive system, traction is superb even when pushing hard through corners. The R8's dual-clutch transmission shifts with lightning precision, and with selectable drive modes, you can tailor the car's behavior to anything from relaxed cruising to hardcore track driving. Inside, the 2025 R8 offers a driver-focused cabin that balances luxury with sportiness. The virtual cockpit is crisp and customizable, putting all essential information right in front of you. Premium materials are used throughout, including Alcantara, Nappa leather, and available carbon fiber trims. The seats are supportive, designed to hold you in place during spirited driving while still being comfortable enough for long trips. Despite being a supercar, Audi doesn't skimp on tech. There's smartphone integration, a high-end Bang & Olufsen sound system, and even dual-zone climate control. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Audi R8 doesn't come cheap, but for what you get, it's worth every penny. The base coupe starts around $160,000, while the top-tier performance Spider can go beyond $220,000 depending on options. It's a serious investment, but one that delivers daily drivability, stunning looks, and track-worthy power in one sleek package. The R8 continues to be one of the most complete supercars money can buy. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more videos.